Yeah, like that. Hands up. Yeah. Don't worry. Ready? Ready? Go. Yeah. Go.
Go.
Which hand is better? Right, left hand or right hand? This hand. Show me. Go. That's it. You make the sound. Do it again. Ready? Go. Good. Ready? Ready? Go. One more. Okay. Hands up high. Ready? Go. How's your hand? Is it okay? And look. And you do like that. That's the thing. You have to use this one. Okay? Pastor, come here. Can you hold it? Okay. Look, just like that. Okay.
Watch,
come
just
here.
watch him.
Eva, this time, don't worry. I'm gonna help you.
He's gonna help you.
Okay? Stay. Rest.
No,
like that. Don't worry. Okay. Next piece, this time. Okay, stay. Next piece.
Well, he's gonna help you.
One, two, and go. Sir,
Don't
can
move.
you?
Yeah. Here. Come here. You stand here and you do this. You hold it. What? You're videoing, okay?
Okay.
I use the palm like this. Like that. Okay.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready?
Okay, don't worry. Like palm.
Don't hurt me.
Are you ready? One. Like palm. Two. Go. Oh, that's right.
3 pieces.
How's your hand? Good? Yeah. Okay, good job.
3 pieces.
3 pieces because you're 3 years old?
Yeah.